this is Furkan with Nukon USA. We are here with Colin McLemore. Just installed this Rex forklift machine. Colin, I just want to ask you with the installation process and the training process, actually way before that, the sales process. Can you tell us with a few sentences what do you think about your experience with More Machine Tools and Nukon USA?
Sure. I think I did a fair amount of investigation prior to purchasing this particular machine. And what really stood apart for Nukon and More Machinery both was the fact that you seem very concerned and committed to service after the sale, and I have found that to be true. Obviously, laser machinery is becoming more and more common. There's brands from all over the world. But to save a few bucks and buy something that skeptical on whether I can ever get parts or service in the future, that troubles me greatly. So after several conversations and further research, I landed at the decision to buy the Nukon piece, and so far so good.
Very good to hear. And just let's walk in that way a little bit. We also have the Nukon loader machine here, and also the press brake. So this shop is equipped with 3 of our machines, and we're hoping that this business will keep growing. Okay, cool. Thank you.